heavy. So, where are we pulling into? It's Roatan, Honduras. Pretty stinking amazing. We are pretty far up here on deck 16. See how clear that water is down there, Kevy?
Yeah.
See right through it. Wasn't planning on coming up here to video, right, Kev? We just came up here to get towels.
All right, day 4, cruising with kids. Here we are in Roatan, and we're docked and we're ready to get off the ship. It looks like a nice day of sloths and chocolates and beaches, and so come on along. Let's go see what we got.
Alright guys, this is what it's like to get off the ship. We're going down, all aboard, we have to be back on 8:54. This is how we do this.
Diamond card? I know, got my card.
What do you think? Katie cannot wait to see us laugh.
Local language here is about English because this island was British around 350 years ago. So in Honduras, our local language is about Spanish, but we learn English on the island.
Okay.
Hello. Go for it, kiddo.
Shopping in Roatan, kind of a nice spot. So we're able to do this by booking an excursion not through our ship. Doing?
There he is.
There you go, Brian.
Oh, hey.
He's gonna jump at you because he wants to
Hey, Pat. What do you guys think? Whoa! Shoulder or sure, you can right on the shoulder.
What do you think, Kay?
Watch out, watch out.
so good. You like it, Kev?
I think that's the best dark chocolate I've ever tasted.
There's nobody here. Let's go right here. I am walking out here and I am putting my toes in this water. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's warm. It's crystal clear. And it is paradise. Roatan, my friends. This is the free access beach. We could have went up to the other beach, which she said is about $10 a person, and it comes with all the amenities, the facilities, the bathrooms, you know, all the other stuff. But this is such a great little strip here. It's free access. We're walking right up in here, and it is super clear. We're just gonna spend about an hour here relaxing and enjoying taking this in. And then we're gonna continue our tour. Dad, how you doing? Dad's looking for a local beer. Yeah, this is spectacular. Yeah. Roatan.
Well, there are sharks around here.
Call Charlie for a tour, and Kevin has been taking us around today. He's phenomenal. He is spectacular. He's awesome. All right, we just took a walk to the end of the beach here, this little covey area. It's beautiful, stunning. Free access, local beach. We decided we're gonna go back over to where we started here. Nice and quiet, nice and crystal clear water.
This little piece of beach in Roatan, Honduras called the West End Village. And it's a little shopping area. Got some local vendors. We're over to the local market. Got the kids a snack. Got food and a drink.
I couldn't be just enjoying this view more. We couldn't be enjoying this more. This is, they call it paradise here in Roatan, and they're right. This is paradise. There we are. Oh, I definitely would like to try the rum cake. Please.
What do you want to try?
Big banana.
What's that?
That's chocolate.
Mmm.
Okay, you want to try some?
Well, oh, I didn't get it yet. Caribbean night.
Yeah. Cruise Planner said Caribbean night, so
Oh, we can.
you gotta wear the same shirt.
Hi, Jefferson. Hi, Zip. How's it going? We're having a great day. Wonderful. We had a great time. We saw the whole island.
And my sister in Denmark is watching the video. Oh, it's a big ship.
They get to see you at work now. Well, you guys, we just want to say Zip and Jefferson here. They're fantastic. They're wonderful. We love them so much. They've been so great with us every night. So we're making sure we get them in our video too. So Zip, what's good on the menu tonight?
Tonight,
Here, let's see.
for the appetizer, we have the tacos. This one is a sweetened pork with baobab bread and served with sweet chili sauce.
Sounds
And
good.
for the main course, we have the garlic tiger shrimp. It comes with jasmine rice with herb butter sauce. And for the dessert, we have the tiramisu, served with mascarpone cheese and with Kahlua liqueur with it.
Sounds good. Sounds great. All right. All right, guys. Everybody happy with their dinner choices?
Look next to us.
Ooh, look at that. We're leaving. It is 5:15, so we might both be moving. All right, guys. Katie, show us your golf balls. We came up here to play a little glow-in-the-dark golf balls. We came up here after dinner tonight to play a little bit of mini golf. The kids have been begging since we got on the ship. They love mini golf. We got a tip before we came that they use foam balls here. And if you could, to bring your own golf ball. So, super cool. You got blue and orange. Katie's got pink and green. I don't know. Kev's got, or Bry's got red and something else over there. Super fun. It does have magic when it has light in it. Katie's exactly right. Here, hit it on the rock. So these balls stay lit for about 10 minutes, I think. And then all you have to do is hit them hard. Good job, Bri. Hit them hard, and they light back up for another 10 minutes. I think they said they have something along the lines of like 50 hours or something. All right, I love playing mini golf as much as the next person. It's a lot of fun, but I am just enjoying sitting here in this little Adirondack beach chair here, watching the kids have fun, dad golfing with them. And I said that I would just kind of sit this one out to take it all in. Nice evening here after dinner, playing up on the sports deck. After this, we plan on trying to hit the hot tub. This is what an evening up here is like. Bry's got a drink there. I just finished a nice glass of wine after dinner, and the kids are having a ball. An evening on a cruise ship. So the boys wanted to come over here and play some ping pong. So we said, yeah, they could come over here and check out the ping pong table. They were here earlier in the week, checking things out. So it's a sports night out here, deck 15. All right, nighttime swimming here. Decided to play some sports. We did some golf, we did some ping pong, and now we're doing some nighttime swimming. Maybe a quick dip in the hot tub. I'm up here. I'm warm in my sweatshirt. I can take it off. Hi. Hi. He's slightly getting cranky. It might be past his bedtime. But we're having a great night. And you know what? The kids are having lots of fun. So, let's turn around. Not a lot of people out here, but definitely enough to make it a nice fun night. Tomorrow we got Costa Maya. We have plans to go to a beach club. I'm also really excited to see the port in Costa Maya. It's a fairly new port that was designed really specifically just for the cruise ships. There's everything right there, right at port. There's restaurants, there's shopping, there's swim with the dolphins, there's hold the sloths and the monkeys, but everything is like right there. So looking forward to the tacos, looking forward to the margaritas. Maybe mommy will even sneak in a little massage or some sort of pampering. But yeah, it's gonna be a great day, and we're gonna finish up with a really great night here at the pool. So I was just saying how nice this is. I mean, everybody likes the hot tub, right? During the day, it's crowded, it's hot, there's people everywhere. But I gotta tell you, if you come up here at the right time, like we're an hour before the pool closes tonight, we're the only ones here. The other hot tub probably has, I think I see 3 people over there. And look at the pool. Absolutely nobody. The deck chairs are nice. Now I get it. There's other things to do on the ship, other things people want to be experiencing, or maybe you're tired and you want to go to bed. But if you have it in you and you want a nice nighttime hot tub dip, some quiet time at the pool, come up at night. We are not cold at all. So,
End of day 4 here on Harmony of the Seas. Finally got a chance to do a little late night hot tub.
Hi, Katie.
This is cruising with kids. This is no regard for personal space. This is why the cruise line sells drink packages. This is
we're having a great time. We're gonna finish up here. We're going up to bed, and we will see you on the seas.